Hello everyone and welcome back to the IGCSE Additional Mathematics 0606 course. In this video we will be talking about chapter 9, which is circular measure. So let's get started. As you can see, this is the shortest chapter by a lot. I can fit the entire whiteboard on this one page. So basically the first thing that you need to know, and the most very important one, this is for trigonometry as well, is that radians is a completely new system for measuring angles. So earlier we used to say we have a circle. This circle measures 360 degrees in the center. We now say that this circle is actually 2 pi radians because 360 degrees is actually an approximation, and 2 pi radians is much more, I would say, correct, I guess you could say, because it actually uses the circumference formula of 2 pi r, and then by r uses 2 pi. So that's where you get that from. So we say 2 pi is 360 and then pi radians is 180 degrees. So to convert from radians to degrees, you multiply whatever the radians is by 180 by pi. So essentially, so pi into 180 by pi, pi cancels, you get 180 degrees. The opposite, so you just multiply by this reciprocal from degrees to radians. So 180 will cancel and it'll just give you pi. Right. Now there's these two formula that you need to remember for this chapter. If you're given a circle with some radius r and you're given this sector in the circle that is an angle theta, then this arc length is actually just equal to r theta. Now remember, theta must be in radians for this formula to work. And then again, a circle with radius r, a sector, and an angle theta in radians. The area of this sector will be half r squared theta. So just remember these two formulae. Now, this isn't a this let's move to this. This isn't an actual official part of the chapter, but these techniques are widely used. So you should probably know these formulae. This is the sine rule, first thing. Mm, so the sine rule basically states, given a triangle such as this one, sine of divided by A is equal to sine B divided by B is equal to sine C divided by C. So essentially, the sine of an angle divided by the side opposite to that angle is equal to another angle, sine of another angle divided by the opposite to that angle. That's just the sine rule. And then this is the cosine rule. And the cosine rule basically states that if you have a triangle with two sides AB and an angle theta between those two sides, then you can find the opposite side C using this formula. So just take square root of both sides to get C. So C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine theta. And then this last formula gives you the area of a triangle with two sides AB and the angle theta in between them, and the area is just given by half AB sine theta. So yeah, that's about it for this chapter. Thank you for watching, and leave any suggestions or questions you have in the comments.